Hey guys, in this video I am going to discuss about how can you insert the list in HTML. Okay, so basically list means collection of items. Okay, so there are two types of list are there. Okay, one is unordered list and another one is ordered list. Okay, so in unordered list it is basically use some symbols. Okay, so in symbols are different types of symbols we can use in unordered list. It can be circle, it can be disc, or it can be square. Okay, so this means it is a by default. Okay, when you don't want to use any type of style, means circle or square or other types, it will means automatically take it by default type, which is disc. Okay, so this is the by default type. Okay, so if you don't use any type, by default type is disc. But in case of order list, it use some numerical system, means when you represent some sequential data, okay, one by one, then we have to use the order list. So in order list we can use the number, we can use the alphabet. Okay, we can use the number means 1 2 3 for this type of number. We can use the alphabet, it can be capital A, it can be small a, or we can use the Roman 1, small letter Roman 1, then Roman means capital letter I, this way. Okay, so in order list we can use the type, means it can be 1 A, B, this type of type we can use. Okay, but by default order list is use the type of 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so in unordered list it will take by default type disc, but in order list it will take by default type 1, means number. Okay, so this is the difference between ordered list and unordered list. Unordered list means which will use the collection of items using some symbols, but ordered list is used to collection of some number, collection of some items using some numbers or alphabet, but it can use the sequential data. Okay, so let's start for the practical part. Hope you like my video. So please, if you new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and please see the full video for the.
Okay, let's start for the practical part. So see here, I have already made one text here, HTML editor, which one is list. Okay, so in the body part I have to write my tag here. Okay, so I have already discussed about unordered list and ordered list. So for unordered list we have to use the tag ul, and for ordered list we have to use the tag ol. Okay, and for list I have to use the tag li. Okay, so for ordered list we have to use the tag ul. Okay, and then within ul we have to write our list of items. Okay, so say here my list of item is, see, this is my ul. Okay, and within this ul I have to write my all the list here. So my first list, when you write the list of the item you have to start with the li tag. Okay, so see my list of item is, say, fruits, apple, okay, then say first one is apple, second one is say li tag. Again I have to start my li tag, I have to close the symbol, and within this symbol I have to write my second list, say apple and then say banana. Okay, and see here what is the output. So see one thing here, this is the unordered list. Okay, so within this unordered list you have to collect your list here using the tag ul. So there are two type of collection is there, one is apple, another one is banana. So I have started it with li tag, again close, again start with li tag and close. Every time when you collect your items, you have to give li tag. Okay, and here no type has defined here, it is circle or disc or square. So in case of unordered list, we can use three types of style here. It can be circle, it can be square, or it can be disc. So here I have not used anything, but I told you already it will take automatically, means by default it will take the disc type. Okay, so see here it is taking or not. So see here apple and banana, and here see this is already taken as a by default, which is disc. Okay, so if I give here ul, then type, I have to use the attribute type here. Okay, if I use the attribute type as circle, save, and then see here it will give as a circle, only this type of circle. Okay, but disc means solid circle. Okay, disc means solid circle. Okay, and if I give here square, then it will show you as a square. See here square. Okay, so this way you can use the unordered list. Now I will use the ordered list. Okay, so see here for ordered list, again I have to use. Okay, so for unordered list we have to use the ol tag. Okay, so see here I am writing the ol tag. Ol, then we have to finish it. Within this ol tag we have to define our li tag. Okay, same in case of unordered list we have to use the ul tag, and for ordered list we have to use the ol tag, ordered list. And same as unordered list we have to write here list of items. Say for example I am writing same here apple. Okay, then again list, again I have to write the name of the fruit. Okay, so see here there are two type of list are added here. Okay, within the ol tag. Okay, so by default I told you it will take, here I have not select any type of type here. It can be capital letter A, it can be Roman 1, it can be 1. I have not select anything. Okay, so by default it will already take 1, 2, 3 number as a list. Okay, so see here, see 1, 2. By default when I will not declare anything as a type, it will take by default as a 1, 2, 3 like this in case of ordered list. So if you define the type, which type of list you want, means order list you want, you have to give the attribute as type, then equal, then you have to write here your type, which type you want. Okay, which type you want, say I want capital A. Okay, then see here capital A, then capital B. If you give here Roman 1, then Roman 1, Roman 2 like this. Okay, so here one type of other thing is also used. Here we can use the start, means say start will define the position. Okay, position of your item. Say for example A. Okay, type is A, but if I write start equal to 4, means A, B, C, D, fourth position of your alphabet. Okay, say for example I am writing here, say start equal, say I am writing 5 here. Okay, 5 means A, B, C, D, E. Fifth position of alphabet is E. So it will collect the item from E, F, G, H like this. Okay, so see here E, F. If I write here Roman 1, okay, then see here what it will show, see 5 6 because I have given the start equal to what 5, so it will take the 5 position, then 5 6 7 8 like this it will sequentially display the list. Okay, so this is all about your order list and unordered list. So this is unordered list, this is ordered list, this is the list of item, this is the type, okay, you can use. So this is the difference between order list and unordered list. So hope you will like my video. So if you like my video, then like the video and please subscribe my channel for the latest update. Thank you all.